Today we are having a bell ringing ceremony, and that is because this is Constitution Week, and it is a special week to recognize the signing of our Constitution, which happened 230 years ago. And the DAR chapters, the Daughters of the American Revolution, started a tradition of bells across America. So fortunately, Janet Lefford, one of your own Mobile County Public School teachers, took up that project and instituted the bell ringing here at the battleship, USS Alabama battleship.
Well, when we studied colonial America, I learned about bell ringing, and that was our form of communication before cell phones or old-fashioned telephones. People rang bells, and they rang bells when we signed the Declaration of Independence. They rang bells when the Revolutionary War ended. They rang bells when the Constitution was signed. They rang bells after the death of George Washington. So this is reliving history as our ancestors lived by doing this.
It makes me so happy. I just love watching these students and seeing how much they're involved in this kind of activity, which is patriotic, and that's another huge part of what DAR promotes, patriotism and preservation of history, and it's just all part of the goals of DAR.